Hi, this is a video of Hopi and Suzie's litter of puppies. They are 5 weeks and 3 days today, and we're going to show them off in their birth order. And first we have Penny. She's wearing a light pink bow, and she's going to Kirk in April in Humphrey, Nebraska. And she's starting to play with toys and having fun playing with the kids and just developing more of a personality. She's really sweet. And then we have Keiko. He's going to Tyler Hall in Atlanta, Georgia. And he's getting big, and he's a really fun puppy. He does some funny things. He loves to play with toys, and he's a fun puppy to play with. And then we have Nikko. He's going to Alejandro in Fresno, California. Over here in his blue bow. He's having fun chewing on that toy.
Hello.
And he's just a really pretty little boy. He's
That toy, yeah.
doing lots of fun stuff, and right now they're all kind of getting sleepy. Played too hard when we first brought him in. Then we have Greta. She's wearing a mint colored bow, which we took off because it was bugging her. Isn't she pretty? She's going to Scott and Diane. This is their second puppy, and she's going to go to Virginia. And she's got really pretty markings and a sweet little personality. And then we have Roxy. She's going to Michelle and Kevin. She's wearing a yellow bow. Okay, leave that. We want this yellow bow on. And she's going to Massachusetts. Then we have Luna. She's wearing a bright pink bow. She's going to Eric and Jennifer in Colorado. And she really likes people. She is always the first one at the gate to greet ya. And then we have Aiko. And she's wearing a green little bow. And she's going to Tibby in Ohio. And they're all being taken outside to go potty now, and I think they like being outside. Today's kind of cold, so they've been inside more, but you can see they're all developing their personalities, and lots of fun right now at this age. And they're all getting ready to take naps.